Hey everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. I apologize that we're not set up back there with makeup on the face and all of the doobie-doo, but here we are. So in today's video, I am making one card. I thought that it would be prudent, is that the word I'm looking for? To share with you, if you don't need to mass produce or you don't want to mass produce, how you can take your time, build up layers, add embellishments to create a really cute card that still doesn't involve die cutting or embossing, either heat or dry embossing. So yeah, that's what this card is today. And I think it's so adorable. Again, I used another sketch. So fun. So now Friday's video will be me finding a new way to use the scraps, because I almost always do like the diagonal background and cut it out. But this time we're going to try something a little different. So make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, either say hi in the comments or leave me a purple heart. Your engagement means a lot to me. I think we'll have one more video with this kit. I don't know if I can finish it in the next couple of days, but I'm going to do my best, because next Wednesday starts the holiday card series and I am so pumped for that. Okay, do I need to tell you anything else? No, I don't. If you missed it, I am working with just one Echo Park bundle. It came with the 12x12 collection pack, which is 12x12 papers and stickers. It came with ephemera, and it came with 12x12 solids and a set of ephemera. So I'm working just with that, no die cutting, etc., to make super beginner friendly cards for less than $50. So anyway, that's it. Let's head over to the craft table and I will walk you through the card, and at some point in my life and yours we'll get a craft room tour. But here's a little sneaky peeky. Right, friends, I apologize. I don't know what's going on with my voice or why I have vocal fry or whatever. I don't know. Here's the sketch I'm working with. Now I am adding 1/8 of an inch and creating mats that are 1/8 of an inch bigger. Before we get into that though, if you missed it, I posted my one and only Halloween card over on the Stamp Anything website. I will try to remember, or YouTube channel, I'll try to remember to link that down below. So much fun. It's from 2 different bundles called the Monster Mash bundles, and I will have those linked down below. Those are affiliate links, so if you purchase using my link, I appreciate it. Okay, so the pattern paper is cut to the measurements on the sketch. And then I added 1/8 of an inch to add a mat. I prefer 1/8 of an inch rather than 1/4 of an inch, but that's just a personal preference. I hate doing stuff like this though, because I hate mathing. Sometimes the math ain't mathing, especially when you're me. So I honestly don't know what's going on with my desk. I don't know if my camera got repositioned incorrectly or if I've pushed the mat too far, but normally you wouldn't see this washi tape when I'm zoomed out. So I'll try to get that fixed. Hopefully by the next video. We'll see. You guys know. I've had 3 doctors. Well, let me tell you. I was supposed to go to the pain management doctor yesterday, but our car wouldn't start. We've had our car now for 8 years, and this is the first time we've really had any issues with it. We have I think we have like right around 60,000 miles on it. Like, we baby this card like nobody's business. So Rob had taken it last week because it wouldn't start to Firestone, and they checked the battery, the starter, the alternator. Everything's perfect. Everything's fine. Just drive it a little more. So Wednesday, he went to start the car to get the air conditioner going so we could go to the pain management doctor, and he came in, he's like, the car won't start. So I was like, well, let's take it back to Firestone and see what they say. I said, if we take it to the dealership, I said, we're talking about thousands of dollars. And he called, and they couldn't even get us in for 5 days. It's like, okay, we can't go 5 days without a card. So he took it back to Firestone, and come to find out it was the battery. So we had to buy a brand new battery on Wednesday. So I had to miss my pain management doctor appointment, but I have an appointment tomorrow and I have an appointment on Friday. So I'm going to be making it for it. And I think I have like 3 appointments next week. I'm trying to squeeze everything in as quickly as I can. I'm seeing a new doctor, a hand surgeon, for the issue with my left hand. You haven't seen me wear a brace in a little bit because that particular brace hurts my thumb. But yeah, so I'm going to take care of that next week. I'm going to take care of all of it next week. Here we go. Okay, so once I put this together, I wanted a focal point, and I wanted to use one of the die cuts from the ephemera pack, and that's where this oval cake came from. I did not mat that because I would hate it if it was on a rectangular piece of paper, and I feel like the pink behind it is matte enough. So initially I was going to put on the rhinestones. If you missed it, I bought a pack of like 36 rhinestones from Amazon not too long ago, but I decided I wanted to use the flowers. And initially I thought I would bring in these cute little daisies using this blue. And I was like, I gotta find all the blues. So I poured half of them out, trying to find the blues, separate everything into the color, because I thought I wanted to do the blue daisies. And in the end, I don't. So anyway, so I posted a video last week about I have a question or something about that. And I went ahead and privated it because here's my thing. Would you be interested in mystery card projects? So how this would work, got this idea from a Canadian creator. You would send me a box of like crafting supplies. So like a stamp set to use, a die cut to use, coloring mediums to use, and paper to use. I would create a couple of projects using those supplies. And then I would send you back the supplies if you wanted them, plus the 2 projects I made. What do you guys think of something like that? I think it would be fun, especially since all of our collections are so different. Now, if we do this in the next couple of months, it's going to have to be a holiday card stamp because I am not breaking from that other than on the Stamp Anything YouTube channel. So yeah. So anyway, I am putting on these flowers. These are purple ones with glue dots, and then I'm going to bring in a Nuvo, I think they're called Nuvo Aqua Shimmer Pins. If you don't own one, you need to get one because it's so pretty. And here we are in real time. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. I hope your Wednesday is going better than mine. Again, if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Let me know down below what you think about a mystery card series. I think it would be fun. Love to hear your comments. All right, that's it for today. I will see you Friday for another video, and I'll try to post a link to the Stamp Anything video down below. Okay, bye for now.